Do plants produce oxygen? Materials. The materials we need for this experiment are 2 jars, 2 candles, 1 plant, and matches. Background information. What makes fire? The 3 requirements necessary to make fire are oxygen, heat, and fuel. When these components are combined, they create fire. Our experiment. Since we're trying to prove plants do produce oxygen, we will replace oxygen with our plant. The new equation is: do plants, heat, and fuel create fire? The experiment. We will be placing 1 candle in a jar and see how long it takes for the fire to diminish, while in the other jar we will be placing a candle with a plant and see how long it takes for that candle to diminish. First, place the candles in front of the 2 jars. Ignite both candles simultaneously and place the jars above the candles. Make sure 1 candle has a plant next to it. Observe which one diminishes first. As you can see, the first candle has diminished, while the other one is just finished. The other one has water vapor surrounding it, proving cellular respiration. We found that plants are able to produce oxygen using carbon dioxide, energy, and water. This creates oxygen along with glucose. This oxygen was used to fuel the fire so it could stay lit longer. Near the end, when you saw water vapor surrounding the jar, this was because of cellular respiration. Cellular respiration is when the plant takes in oxygen and glucose and converts it into carbon dioxide and water. Conclusion. From our experiment, we found that oxygen levels in jar 1 decreased. The fire from jar 1 went out, when in the other jar the fire continued to burn for a longer while. This is because the plant was able to turn the carbon dioxide in the jar into oxygen. This is because of photosynthesis. In this process, plants use chlorophyll to turn carbon dioxide and water into oxygen and glucose. But near the end, you could see that the fire went out in the jar with the plant in it. This occurred because when even plants had their own limits, and the candle was producing carbon dioxide quicker than the plant was producing oxygen. This is what's happening with global warming. We are burning fossil fuels at a much quicker rate than the trees can convert the smog and smoke into oxygen. Not only that, we are reducing the number of trees and smoke and plant life, making this process even quicker. From this experiment, we found that plants do produce oxygen, and cellular respiration also occurs with plants.